The 2022 Monarch Festival is officially coming to McAllen on Saturday, April 2nd. So wear the color orange and some beautiful wings to glide your way through our outdoor festival here at Quinta Mazatlan. Over 30 educational partners have come together to celebrate the monarch butterfly and all pollinators who seed the world's plants. Participate in hands-on experiences, presentations, and performances that share the festival's mission to celebrate and learn about these amazing creatures. At the sanctuary, enjoy street art with the Orange Umbrella Road, Wings in the Wind exhibit, stilt walkers, street dancers, and more. Youth and scouts can migrate to the activity stations to earn art, bug, insect, wildlife, and gardening badges. The main stage will showcase cultural dances and live performances. Learn from speakers, nature walks, and animal talks. Join the Monarch Walking Parade at 11 a.m., led by the Mac High Drumline, costume characters, and you. And of course, shopping and food awaits you at the Monarch Marketplace. So remember to wear your wings. You can be a bee, butterfly, or a beetle, any pollinator. Just come and spread your wings here at Quinta Mazatlan's Monarch Fest.